Imagine we replace the sun with a black hole of the same diameter. This drastic change would lead to several significant differences in our solar system. The sun has a mass of approximately 1.98 x 10 circumflex 30 kilograms, exerting a surface gravity of about 274 meters per second squared that maintains the orbits of the planets. A black hole with an equivalent diameter would have an astronomical mass of 4.68 x 10 circumflex 35 kilograms. That is more than 235,000 times the mass of the sun, leading to an incredibly intense gravitational pull, especially near the event horizon where gravity becomes nearly infinite. Currently, the sun dominates the solar system, providing light and warmth essential for life on Earth. Its gravitational influence keeps the planets in stable orbits. If replaced by a black hole, the gravitational forces would be drastically stronger and will disrupt the orbits of nearby objects, pulling them closer or flinging them into distant space. Now, when the core of the sun burns at around 15 million Kelvin with a surface temperature of about 5,778 Kelvin, supplying the necessary heat and light. A black hole's temperature, however, emits negligible Hawking radiation, making it extremely cold compared to the sun. Without the sun's warmth, our solar system would plunge into darkness and freeze, making life as we know it impossible. The sun's effect on time is minor, causing slight time dilation near its surface. In contrast, with a black hole of that size, time dilation near the event horizon is extreme. Time would appear to almost stop for an observer at the event horizon, creating a fascinating yet eerie phenomenon where objects falling into the black hole seem to freeze in time. The sun emits light and heat through nuclear fusion, sustaining life on Earth. A black hole, on the other hand, does not emit light. It absorbs all nearby matter and light, creating an accretion disk that emits intense X-rays, making our solar system a much darker and more dangerous place. While the sun is a stable star with a well-defined lifespan in the main sequence, a black hole represents the end state of stellar evolution for massive stars. Its presence would fundamentally alter the structure and dynamics of our solar system, transforming it into a region dominated by extreme gravitational forces and devoid of the life-giving energy of a star. Replacing the sun with a black hole of equivalent diameter would drastically change our solar system. The intense gravity, lack of light and heat, and extreme time dilation would transform our solar system into a much darker and more dangerous place. Stay curious.